Hi, I'm Tom Shantz.
I'm Teresa Shantz.
We're from TNT Spirit Works
and Enthusiastically Spiritual Podcast.
Today we're here to tell you about Karen Salmansohn.
So I met Karen Salmansohn in fall of 2020 through the Book Doula's Incubator Program, and she came on as a guest talking about business and social media, and I was like, we need to work with this lady. She's dynamic.
When I first met Karen, the thing that I noticed about her was she really pays good attention to detail, wants to get to know us as clients, and tune into that spark that we have that's a little different from everybody else.
Definitely. And what Karen has helped us with is our social media, Facebook, Instagram, our emails, and she's helped us rebuild our whole new website.
Yeah, the whole lot.
The whole lot. The D, all the above.
She's a great person for creative copy, knows how to distill what we say and what we're trying to say and get a really clear feeling across, which is very unusual. And I highly recommend her to anybody that's interested in either revamping your business or getting your business started.
And for myself, I would say that she has helped take our whole business all the way to a new plateau. And one thing that I personally love about Karen is the fact that she knows all the new aspects of change within social media and business and how to implement them in a simple, compact way that I understand, because I'm not business savvy, but I definitely want to get out there and be in business like Karen does. So,
yeah, one of the things I love about Karen is that she's constantly on the cutting edge of what's happening and really good at evaluating what's working, what's not working, and just loves to pass it on, what she's learning, to us.
So if you're looking at upgrading, up-leveling, doing everything amazing for your business, check out Karen, because she is a dynamic, amazing person to work with. Right, Tom?
We love her.
We love Karen.